Halloween still in progress, being built. So people are already getting turned down. I want to give you an update on the build process. It does look like it's going to open up, which is nice. You can see they got all the pegboard in there. Seems like this parking lot's a lot more busy too than normal, so they must have some workers in here. Oh yeah, so there's like a ton of people in there putting up a bunch of pegboard, but they are still not open. Happy to see that they are opening though. Looks like they got most of the interior work done, but yeah, still under construction. They should be open though within like about a week. Looks like they got some of the bigger displays back there. It's kind of hard to see with the reflection. They got boxes and boxes, and goes way back there. I anticipate this store will be probably discounted heavily because everybody's already, all the like dedicated haunters have already purchased all their stuff. So that is the update for this Ocala Spirit Halloween. Seems like they've got staff, but they're probably still hiring, but not quite open yet. People are starting to show up though. The next time I'm back here, it'll probably be opening phase. It didn't really go into construction much in there. I think they just painted the sheetrock or drywall that they were installing, and that's it. So next time you see it, it'll be an in-store tour. Thanks for watching.